I have to slow down. Di, okay lang. Hinahinay raman ko. Di anato diri sa San Francisco Camotes. Magpalit pa mig baon, lechon manok, lechong baboy, pansit, lumpia, isda para among kaunon sa beach. Sa Himinsulan, og mga 30 minutos ni abot na mi dire. Walay traffic diri sa Camotes. Di parehas Cebu, daghan kay sakyanan. Atik ranay. First time pa na ako diri. Kay bag-o pa man sa una ni uli ko. Daghang tawo karon. Daghan tawo o gabay tawo?
I-chat mo si Tong na yan.
Wawa pa. I-chat na ako karon. Dolo siguro sa diri. Very beautiful ah. Oh, nice ah. Why you don't change? You can change here. Yeah, you can change here. Ew. Asa man ta? Mas mayo siguro niyo. Do you get the floating? Huh? Do you get the floating device? Why no ba? Huh? Ay, di na lang ako eh. Dadon na lang natin. Pero bag natin. Di na lang. Are ba sa daan? Yeah, kuha na lang natin pag uli.
May mga life jacket ay.
Dama ko daan.
Those are included. Oh my God, bakit na ba may nano na lang?
Kamot. I have cell phone. Dire, oh, mas like ko gamay lang.
Nabusog ko sa mais o sa saging.
Oh, himalitan kayo.
Magpapalit na pa kung mais dito sa lamban mo rin.
Mga ligo na ta. You can go here. Di na. May bantay, may bantay isda. Oh. Naman na si Ibis ba? Ibis. Wow! Woo! Okay, come here. Go under. Woo! Oh shit. Kate, are you ready? You go under. Under. You want to slide? Good. No? Shane, where are you? Huh? Give me that thing. Shane, give me that.
Huh?
You don't wear it? Yeah, you wear that. Give me that. Throw it, just throw it. You wear this when you come here. Go, imo gamiton kamo lang eh. Gamiton. Dire, di man laom dire. Di man laom kata dire raman. Dire lang kasama ba? Dire, paggamit lausan niya. Upa mas siya. Dire, di man kinahanglan dog na dire. Just leave your slippers there. Yeah, good jump. Careful. It's not deep.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, it's
Same.
not that deep.
but you will be for sure.
It's yours? Yeah, I'm just gonna wear it like it's loaded.
What?
I'll wear it like this.
Oh yeah,
It's really big.
but it's not comfortable.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
This is what I always wear in the Colombian neck.
No, it's better if you wear it.
This one's too big.
No, it's not.
It's for adults.
No, you wear. You
It's for
wear.
adults.
Yeah, you wear it. For adults, it's for one size fits all. What you talking about?
I look goofy.
No,
What?
you look goofy or
Look at me. Ay.
no? You have to close this. You have
This
to
is
close.
uncomfortable.
No, you have to wear like.
Too big.
No, you have to wear like that. Because you don't want to close this one. You don't close. What do you mean? See? It's better. Yeah. See? It's good? Yeah.
It always floats up.
No, you have to buckle up from the bottom too. Why become a... We have to close this one too. There's one in the bottom too. Mm.
Floats out. It's fine.
Oh, you want to take it out? Just floating?
Yeah.
You want to take it out? Okay.
I'm tall enough.
Yeah. You just use the floating.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Mga motor.
Gusto sabihin ako, pista mo.
Sa kapapista mo, kung pinagapit. Ang galing mo pag-tip. Ganun.
Always mga hinigta.
Paborito niyo yung restaurant ba?
Kay mo siya nga wako mukhaon.
Pero yung mga ipainit, sunod, wala niyo kan kao.